on me.
You're gonna stop yelling in the middle of the street.
Put your hands on me again. I'll take your burn off and shoot you.
You need to calm down. You need to calm down. You're in the middle of the...
Illinois man bites police officer after a bar fight spirals out of control. Just after midnight on November 13th, Jacksonville police responded to reports of a fight outside a local bar. What started as a routine disturbance quickly escalated when one of the men allegedly refused officers' commands and resisted arrest. As officers attempted to take the 36-year-old suspect into custody, the situation turned even more chaotic when he allegedly bit one of the responding officers.
Understand who I am. Don't touch me.
Everybody calm down.
Touch
What's
me.
going on?
I swear to God, you touch me, I'm gonna take your burn, I'm gonna shoot you. Touch me.
Well, let's not do that.
I don't care about your dogs, I'm a dog. Tell these
what? Stop yelling. Listen, we're gonna stop yelling.
I don't care.
Back up.
Don't touch me.
Back
up.
up.
Choke you.
You ain't gonna do nothing. You're gonna make a threat against a police officer? That's real smart.
I don't care what you're talking about.
You're gonna calm down.
Don't put your hands on me.
You're gonna stop yelling in the middle of the street.
Put your hands on me again. I'll take your burn off and shoot you.
You need to calm down. You need to calm down. You're in the middle of the road. Stop yelling.
Troy. Troy, what's up, man? Okay.
On shorty, these niggas.
Come over here.
You better know what the you doing in Jacksonville, Illinois. You take me to that county, bitch. I'll walk there. Troy, can I get my coat? Thank you, lady. Troy. Thank you, lady.
Okay, be respectful.
These hoes out here, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You're not gonna touch me or you're gonna die. What, y'all wanna die today? I'm ready on shorty end. Let your dog go. On GDN, I ain't got no drugs on me. On my daddy, don't touch me. Don't. Hey, look, that's what y'all wanna do? Hey, look, that's what y'all wanna do? Hey, look, what y'all doing there? I ain't deal with now with you. You nigga. On GDN, I call it.
Shut up, dude. You drunk as shut up.
Ass cracker, that's what you is, you ass boy. And when I get out, I'm gonna murder you.
You can do a thing to me, dude.
I'll murder you, ass
I'll be waiting for you.
Man, what you wanna do with me? Hey, let go of these cuffs. Let me off these cuffs and I'll punch you in your shit right now. Let me off these cuffs and I'll punch you. You can't cuff me up right now, can you?
Boy, quit tensing.
You goof ass boy. You goof ass boy. You couldn't cuff me unless I let you, you stupid ass.
I'll put your ass on the ground real quick,
Put
Troy.
me on the ground. I'm in cuffs now, though.
I'll put you on the ground if you weren't in cuffs.
Hey, would you? Hey, officer, what's your name?
Officer Ray.
Officer what?
Ray, R-A-Y.
What's your badge number?
2159. You think I care about my badge number?
You whole ass nigga. You a pussy.
You're drunk as dude.
Hey,
Shut up.
You a pussy, though. I might be drunk, but you a hoe in heart. You hear me? You a hoe in heart.
Troy,
I might be
up,
drunk,
dude.
but you a fag. You ass boy. You ass. Hey, don't do me. Hey, look here, sir. When I see you, I'm gonna f you up.
We can do a
Yeah, let's do it right now. Let's do it right now, you whole ass nigga.
Wow, dude.
Let's do it right now, you
Troy.
nigga. Don't bite your chest. I'll bite you. Hey, nigga.
Pat him down real quick.
You a
That's what I'm trying to do.
You a how old is you?
Stop, Troy. Troy! Lay low, nigga! Nigga, lay low. Lay low.
Shorty.
Troy.
We got him. Troy. Shut up. Shorty. When I see this goof ass nigga without that band,
Too much, baby. That's my. I know.
You know
Troy. Back, please.
You know
Hey, step back. Step back.
No, before I want y'all to be. I want y'all to be safe as well.
Hey, say the same.
I want y'all to be safe as well. No, this is my brother.
You can't be where you're disrupting. Get back.
I'm not disrupting.
You are.
I can be right here.
No, you can't. Get back.
right there.
Just keep going.
No, I can be right here.
You whole ass nigga. Can you grab my hat?
We'll get it.
He a whole ass nigga. Hey, G, when I get you out this bitch, when I see you on some civilian shit, you're not gonna make out of Jacksonville. No, you're not gonna make out of Jacksonville.
Get in the car.
You're not gonna make out of Jacksonville.
Hey, you're gonna get sprayed if you don't get in the car.
Nigga, you do what you want. I don't give a shit about none of that. He a whole ass nigga.
Get in the car.
You see me? I know who you are. You know who I am.
I got you many times. Get in
Hey,
the car.
when you ready to do your shit, let's get on shit. You hear me?
Get in the car.
On Jacksonville, Illinois.
Get in the car.
You a shorty.
Get in the car.
You a you hear me? On GDN, you a shorty. You spray yourself, you bullshit, nigga.
Get in the car.
Grab me by my throat.
Get in the car.
Turn that dog love me more Everybody love you. You can't handle me, can you? You can't handle me. Get somebody else. Get Baptist. Where Baptist at? Where Baptist at? R.I.P. I'm sorry, R.I.P. R.I.P. Baptist. You a sir. Hey, you hear that, dog? You don't know Troy. Shut the fuck up talking to me about Troy. Yeah, you hear your dog get quiet? Nigga, shut the fuck up talking about Troy. You don't know Troy.
Where's there?
I bite you in your ear, me like Tyson did Holyfield. You're not Jacksonville. Go home. If you're not Jacksonville, go protect your others. We protect all, sir.
Troy, you got
We
yourself
protect
in a
all.
situation,
I don't.
dude.
Troy got Troy. Troy don't care about none of that. What you want to do? Why is dog so aggressive? But why the dog was so aggressive? You got that on tape?
I got everything. You know you got
These niggas scary out here. Go elsewhere from Jacksonville, Illinois. Go somewhere else from Jacksonville, Illinois. This is my shit. Hey, look, man, what you gonna do with me?
Feet in the car, you're gonna get sprayed again, dude.
Do that. You gonna spray yourself, you stupid. Dude, you stupid. Dude, you stupid.
This scratch car.
Y'all know this Jacksonville. Y'all know this a little ass town.
So who was he fighting with?
This is a little ass town. You was playing with that ass like it's not a little ass town.
Okay, get him up to the county. I'll follow you. Let's try to get him out this way.
Okay. What's his name?
Beat him up. Move him away.
Hey, Troy, you gonna step out here?
That nigga, move him away. Move him away.
Troy.
I'm gonna move him away.
Who?
Him right there.
I didn't do nothing to you. I didn't do nothing to
If I
you.
catch a charge, I'm gonna spit on your face. Move.
Please don't.
Please move out of me. No, move. Officer, I'm asking you right now. I
thought
swear
you
to
were
God, I'm gonna
asking
spit
him.
in his face.
All right, just come with me,
what are
Troy.
you-
Move the out of my way.
come
When
with
I
me.
see you without these cases on me,
You're mad at the wrong guy.
you trying to put a case on me. You
I'm not even the guy. you're
Nah,
mad
but
at.
I'm gonna beat the shit out of
Okay,
you.
Troy, let's
go.
And your brother.
Okay.
Cause all y'all hunkies look like each other. Right?
Let's go.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
Now you is and you.
Come on.
Good. Let's go
On
around this
Jitty,
way.
when I catch you, on my daddy, on Troy Dead First Senior, on College
Troy.
when I see you, you dead. I ain't play with guns. Don't play with knives. I'm gonna strangle you. Man,
Walk, Troy. You're gonna get another one.
I don't care. Hey, taste me. On fuck, I don't care. On my daddy, hey officer, I do not go about nothing right now. When I catch this, just put me in this shit.
Face this door.
Hey, look, I'm gonna do you.
This door.
And your
Troy.
people can't chase you. Your people can't.
Look here.
Yeah, both of you. What he telling you what to do? He telling y'all what to do. Candace, nowhere. They telling you what to do. They can't play with me. I'm a dog. I'm a dog. You pussy scared. When I see you on TV. You a pussy,
Troy, sit down, man.
You the nigga that's coming on that riffraff.
Troy, sit down.
You don't know me like that.
I've been fine with you every time, man. I've been fine with you every time. I was gonna cut you loose tonight. You want to act like that?
But you don't want to mace me.
I was.
So whenever you want to get off the global, we're going to put hands on each other like grown men.
Okay.
supposed to do.
So Troy, I'm gonna read your
And
Miranda
you a
rights.
pussy or not?
Troy.
You want to put hands on nigga?
Dude, back up, or I'm gonna
like
send
you
you
a
a paternity
nigga
right.
or not?
Troy,
You gonna
back
bang your
up.
face? Swing, fuck! I
Back
want you
up.
to swing on me.
I'm not gonna
I'll
swing on
beat
you.
the dog shit out your head.
Troy, you need to
You a hard
Sit down.
bitch, you hear me?
All right.
You little okay. Hey, look.
I'll see you again, Troy.
The suspect was ultimately arrested and charged with aggravated battery to a peace officer and resisting a peace officer. He was transported to the Morgan County Detention Facility, where he was booked following the incident. Authorities have not released details regarding the officer's injuries, and court records and bond information were not immediately available at the time of reporting. Jail records later indicated that the suspect was released from custody. As always, all charges are allegations, and the suspect is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. If you enjoyed this body cam footage, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real police encounters and body cam videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.